Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Design, and drag and drop like what you see. Connect to the media out, press 2 on the keyboard for the media out, and here you can see this one is animated. And now when I group, I will show you what's going on here. It's fairly simple. You will have a background of alpha reduced all the way to 0. And then here you will have the text. Animation is done here in the merge with a rectangle. And then here is this rectangle is for this background and for the line. And the last one here, animation is done here for this hand. I duplicate 2 times because I want this border and with a glow animation. Polygon, and as you can see, polygon here. This one is for the light, for the glow. Bottom one is for the border, and top one is for the hand. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.